How to change the phone number on Facebook. So let's get started with the tutorial. First of all, open the Facebook app on your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your Facebook account. Now, once in there, simply tap on the three dashboard, the menu option available at the bottom right corner of your screen, and navigate to the Facebook profile menu. Now, once in there, scroll down and tap on the settings and privacy. Then tap on the settings. Inside settings, tap on the account center at the top. Once you tap on the account center, scroll down and tap on the personal information. Now, simply tap on the contact info option available there. Once you tap on the contact info, you can see mail and phone number are differentiated. Now, all you have to do is tap on the phone number option available there. Once you tap on it, you will be navigated to delete your number. Simply confirm to delete your number. And that will be. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe our channel. And thank you so much for watching.